In this video, we're going to be creating a custom jump macro, which will allow us to control the amount of times we can jump in the air. So we're going to open up our character, in my case the first person character, and we're going to create a new macro, which I'm going to call custom jump. Now we're going to give it 3 inputs and 1 output. So we'll start with the output. This is going to be an exec, and we're going to call this out. Now for our top input, that'll also be an exec, and it'll be called in. Second one called reset, also an exec, and our third and final one, an integer called jumps in air. Now we can move our outputs node a little back further down here, and we're going to hold down B and left click. That'll create a branch which we can plug into in. Now we're going to drag off of condition into a is moving on ground, and then I'm going to remove the character movement a bit back over here because we're going to reuse it. Now true, we'll just go into jump, and we can plug that into output. Now false, we'll do a do n, and n will go into jumps in air, and reset will go into reset. Now exit from this, we'll do launch character, and then we're going to tick the Z override and split the struct of the launch velocity. Now that's we're going to use the character movement. We're going to drag off that and do get jump Z velocity, and that goes into the launch velocity Z. Now we're done. We can go into outputs and go back into our event graph. We're going to drag in custom jump, press into in, jumps in air 1, reset, event on landed, and finally released into stop jumping. Now we can compile and launch the game, and it works fine. So if we spam it, we'll only ever jump once in the air because that's what the do n node does.